Do you want to make a dashboard like that and link it to two files, another two files in Google Sheets, and be updated on spot when we update some data in one of other sheets? It's updated here on spot. The other sheets are the cost and the sales. The first value we'll get from cost sheet, the second from sales sheet, and we can calculate this with formulas. We can delete all this. Okay, let's go to the cost sheet. We have product A and product B. For product A, we need to calculate the cost, the total cost. So we can take this, copy paste. We can use some F formula. We'll here choose the range that we need to search for the product A, and we can here choose the range that we need to sum. Here we calculated the total cost for product A and product B. Let's go to the sales sheet and we can make this like the cost sheet. Let's go back to the dashboard. We need to link the two sheets with the dashboard. We can use a nested formula, which is query and import range. We need to get the link of cost sheet, comma, and we need to choose the cell that contains the value we can import for this sheet, which is G1. As you see, we got the value of the cost like in the cost sheet. We can duplicate that, only we need to change the cell from G1 to G2. We got the value of product B for cost. For sales, let's go to the sales sheet. We need to get the link, the same formula, query, import range, G1. We can do that for the sales sheet with the link of sales sheet, G2. We can calculate the profit by its variance between sales and cost. We can calculate the profit margin by dividing the profit by sales. And we can calculate the markup by dividing the profit by cost. The dashboard is ready. So let's try to change something in the information of the cost sheet. We can take that for product A. We can change this to 30,000. We should extend the range here. It's updated here. Let's go back to the dashboard. It's also updated in the dashboard on the spot in the same moment. Also, the calculations is changed. If you found this video is useful for you, like it, share it, and make subscribe for the channel. Thank you.